This is Wednesday, yeah, 5th of the 11th November. And these, it's firework night, bonfire and that, yeah, and it's the firework night, and look at our fireworks. Sounds dangerous.
Which is your favourite, Tom?
The loud one?
I'll say this one because it's really big. No, I like these large comet bomb.
Let's get on with the show.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mum. I hate to do one about the photo. That one.
Run. And ears.
Where is it?
It's not that big. Now that is
turn off the light.
firework.
You ready?
And that's big. Oh, we're doing different. Okay. We don't. Is this a loud one?
This is not lit.
Oh, Dad, you just break my video.
Start now.
Okay.
Are you ready for a small one? I think. Wait. Ready?
Doesn't matter, don't hang on.
3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. There we go. Great. Oh, yes.
Yep.
Thomas, you watch too.
Watch in the air. Mum, get ready for the air.
Huh?
Hello?
Move, Thomas.
Ooh. Be good. Whoa.
Oh, the double.
That's a lot.
Double looks good.
3 at a time.
3 was it?
Yeah. 3 at a time. Wow.
I only lit 2, I didn't have it.
Uh-oh.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
I didn't see it. Treat bag. What's a treat bag? Treat bag.
Okay, sit the
This
next.
is chocolatey ones.
Set the next one up.
Right? Is it okay? What's that thing? Incoming, man. Nice, ain't it? It really is. There it goes! Oh, dancing fireflies. Treats included. Hey, look at it now. Yeah, it's still going. This isn't loud. Oh, is it? Yeah, it's really loud. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See? That's record. Yeah. It's orange. It's bright orange. More. Here it goes. Oh. Here, Tom. Wait. Come on. Here it goes. Whoa, that's big. All that. Whoa. That is large. Nearly done, I think. There it goes, out.
Was it fun?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That was £30
20.
in half an hour.
£30. £1.
Expensive, but it was worth it, wasn't it? Good fun.
Yeah.
Good experience. We'll do it next year.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.